gondengre songni wangala kotokko delengpa paljen ti sama nya taibone makriko makrikna kra sok painjo
ya sok painjo gondengre
grong toka inga grong toka de grong dama toke sokno kamani. The first dance item is called grong toka. That is an invitation to dance by beating the drum. Anybody wondering what they are carrying in their hands? They were carrying lanterns. That is an imitation. It's made of bamboo, but it's an imitation of the real lantern. And they were dancing carrying the lantern. Yatsukaniko doreng meraan yakana. This particular dance item is known as soaring or flying about of kites. The dancers are dancing in imitation of the kites flying about. Tawa mangyutsok na kepada dumi kung germa.
Mangsa nerang ko titi sasakani ko anak cengane ya cengi adam truk bawan galani dak isi dengan siya dengan semua ini kosako burung bolgram tak kabarang grip tak kabarang sawa gelti ti tak o di bayi nyatingan ini semsak pabo agak akun bana nangin semua odi kamau nama nasong gak tapi nanti terpas sakna mangini kasapai nami semsake dong putung pacina mawalata.
This particular dance item is a depiction of harvesting of chilies, plucking of chilies. Ya daud suking kepada jaluk akaku neke mesuke senenge suke mesukinga. Yani jak mana wamang chame makang niya ko takanggen. The dance item that is coming up next is a very interesting one. The young men and the dancers, as they dance, they try to look at each other and identify each other in order to make sure that they are not dancing with the wrong partner or with a partner who is of near blood relation, because this dance is supposed to be leading them to romance and eventually to partnership and marriage. So they are looking at each other's face just to make sure that they are dancing with the right partner.
Mangsa wiat thani ya na simang chokopa adamu lubule na simang na ya china nakpa jana gata bera khai dona cham ya no tandan pacha china na simang sakan tikon mormona tingane kasapai simsak toke ni pabo.
Ia daun sokna sing parang yanora mamang panti normal cha changa ba champinga. This dance form is performed in a very teasing way to tease each other. They try to block each other's way, and that's how I think young boys and girls they tease each other. This could also be part of romance. Yara normal panteja joke chokinga. In continuance with the earlier item, the sense of teasing is going on, and the dancers are dancing almost like hopping and prancing about, continuing to tease each other. Ya bersiap sina tentang manca getal mekan yang pura bainga. Yang tak apa mesokani kos dengan kan sini kucapon dibaya cangna kangkapan nekagtan kenga amin kata pete. Ya dah ucuk nak kepala mandi siana memang suah. This particular dance item has got to do with the death and funeral and cremation. And the dancers are going to depict to us some of the actions that has got to do with keeping wake and cremation of the dead body. This is a depiction of the bullock being brought, which will be killed in memory of the dead, because the Garos believe that if a bullock or an oxen is not killed in the name of the dead person, the spirit of the dead would not be accorded a good place in the other world. So in order to procure a good place, the Maharis, the relatives of the dead, they make sure that an oxen is killed in the name of the dead person. And actually, the Krong Bewal, at sini minuman ko at sa nakay mesokina mandis ya mangdonga wala matsudet na may ini naman ang sa masya at sik mandis yon matsudet jaude waktu jaude uni janggi memang songsi biak nama ko manjana nagso parang ini so jana uni gemensa wak matsudo katode una memang kapta katode una kabir katode uni janggiara nam kepabiak ko manana arome mang sekarang was yang kepa siye ang pako nam men taksuana biak ada maksuana biak ko mang au temesuki. Agan swatainya, naina agan jol-jolo di sakjana badunga. Really very unique and I think not often performed by the dancers. we are very glad that Gondengre has thought about bringing in this. Here, the Delang. Delang is a small house, a hut actually, bigger than this one. This is a replica, which is built in the name of the spirit of the dead, and this is burnt, and the dancers will be dancing over the burnt cinders or maybe the light charcoal, and they will dance over it. And this is really done in reality. Of course, here this is only a replication, only done in memory, in commemoration. But in reality, also this is performed. This is enacted in the Garo villages where the indigenous Songsarek religion is still practiced.
맞췄다.